Okay, now we'll see the practice set number 14. But before to start this practice set number 14, I will show you how to solve that and how to verify that formula of that HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of the number. See, like that way you have to complete this part, and here in the CW book we have to write all these things and we have to verify that formula, that is the LCM into HCF is equal to product of the number. Now we'll go for the practice set number 14. In the practice set number 14 they are given here. Before to start they are given the MCQ that first is a HCF of 120 and 150 they ask. By regular method you find out and will get that 30 will be the answer, because 30 will be the table in which 120 and 150 will come. And again second question they ask here, HCF of this pair of the number is not 1. See here, not 1 they ask. See here, if you see the option, then here three options are like that way whose HCF is coming 1, but here only 1 is there, that 40 and 20 whose answer will be not getting 1. Therefore the HCF of 40 and 20 is not 1. Then like that way you have to solve the MCQ. Now our next question in the practice set number 14 is find the HCF and LCM. I will show you how to find out the HCF and LCM, that you already know it, but again one time I will show you that. See, by regular method also you can find out HCF and LCM. Make by column vertical method. See here I am finding the factors here, and afterwards we have to find out their HCF. See here, HCF means what will come here? Common. Who is here common? 2 is a common, 3 is a common. Okay, then here factor of this 36 and 42. See here, they are, I written here common are 2 and 3 are there. Yes, then 2 and 3 are the common there, and I want to find out their HCF. Okay, then HCF will be 36 and 42. Here 2 into 2. What will come? There, here see, this will be the, I written the factors, and here also I written the factor, and their common factors will be here 2, 2, and here 3. And here see 2 3s are 6 will be the HCF will come. And a LCM if we want to find out, then LCM means what will come? This 2 into 3 we have to take, and remaining all number we have to count. That is 2, again 3, and here will be the 7 is there. Then here see here I am finding the LCM. 2 3s are 6. Here also 6 into 6 into 7. Then 36 into 7. What will comes? Here see I am finding the answer, and I am getting 252 is a LCM of 36 and 42. Then like that way, if they are given here 3 number, see here they are given now here 3 number, I want to find out their LCM. Then by common method also you can find 18, 42 and 48. Okay, then here see, first they will, you can divide by this number by 2, and what will come? 9s are, here will come 21, here will come 24, and now again I will continue with the 2 only. This 9 will become as it is, 21 will become as it is, and this will become a 12. Again I will continue with the 2 only. Here 9, 21 as it is, here 6 will come, and again see I am finding the factors, 9 as it is, 21 as it is, and here 3 will come. Now you go for this 3 3s are, again 7s are, again here 1s are. Now you continue, this one will be 1, and here 7 will come as it is, 7. Okay, then I want to find out the LCM. How I can find? You multiply this number and multiply this number, we'll get the LCM. Means here we have to multiply 2, we have to write how many times? 1 2 3 4 times you write it, and here 3 into 3 into, and this 7. Now you multiply 2 into 2 4 2s are 8 2s are 16, and here 3s are 9, and here will be the 7. Now you multiply it, 16 you keep as it is, and here 9 7s are 63. Okay, now here you do it this multiplication. If you do this 63 into 16, you will get the answer of this will be 1008 will get. And like that way we want to find out the LCM. And in a question practice set number 2, they are practice set number 14, they ask here 2 questions. One question is find the HCF and LCM, and the third question is there, find the LCM. Then here, like this way, you have to complete this HCF as well as a LCM of the number. Okay, and remaining part of this, that is from question number 4 onwards, we'll see in the next week. We'll continue this practice set number 14.